Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Pratama from 2 PCMA. I here want to present the result of my observation about this type of tribe, type and their shape. Number one, first, I have single thread. Single thread. This type of single thread is a type of metric standard thread. This thread, the symbol F, for example, M12 x 2.075, where the diameter is 8 mm and the pitch is 2.075. Number two, I have a tungle thread was I found on the lid of my sister body lotion. By the way, I was surprised too, because it was difficult for me to find thread tips with a rectangular or box shape. In practice, the type of thread used for heavy loads symbol on the square thread is SQ and measured in inch. Number three, I have that's you can look that's I found was thread trapezoids. What I found was a close-up ketchup bottle. Yeah, you can look. That is so cool, bro. Trapezium thread with an angel at the apex of 30. The symbol for this thread is TR, the unit of measure of thread diameter. Number four, I have the round thread. You can look that. That's it. You can, I guess, everyone know that. Okay. The fourth, yeah, wait a moment, bro. That's iPhone. The fourth, the round thread iPhone house broom. That's it. The round thread has a spherical shape on the surface of the thread. The thread have an angle of 30 derajat. Number five, I have saw thread. I found a toothpaste cap with the tip of screw. You can look that. I can zoom in, by the way, this video next. The shape of the home thread is like a triangle. This type of thread is usually used to look the first shaft and the second shaft. The angle of this thread is 30 derajat, and that angle I will from additional angle of 3. Angle is the angle formed as the gap between the first shaft and the shaft. Okay, that's it in my video. Thanks for watching. I am Enin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.